Hey guys, Justin Vandermark here with another creative writing lessons video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over how to write a script in 14 days. And it's going to be a brief video just to explain what the route is to get there. So for day one, you're going to create a log line. If you guys don't know how to create a log line, don't worry, I got you covered. I have 2 videos on my YouTube channel about how to write a log line. So for day two, you want to create your character bios. So for the bios, you're going to go and give a brief description, mostly try to do psychological, but also so the you'll know the transformation your character will be taking. On day three, you're going to write an outline for act number one. Thank you guys for watching Creative Writing Lessons. This is where I give you tips and tricks to writing a successful stories for beginners. If you're liking this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so I can continue giving you guys this great content. All right, let's jump right back into the video, guys. For day four, you're going to get to outline act number two, which means on day five, you're going to be doing the outline for act three. Once that outline is done, for day six, you're going to write the first 10 pages and so on and so forth, right? Day seven, you're going to write the next 10 pages after that, which would be to page 20. Day eight, you'll get up to page 30. On day nine, you're going to get up to page 40. And remember, scripts go up to 90 to 120 pages usually. So you're going to write all the way up to about 70 to 90 pages, depends on how well your outline is. But for this example, we're going to go up to 90 pages. So when you get up to day 14, you should be at the 90-page mark. And once you hit that, you pretty much have your rough draft of your first script. And when that's the case, congratulations. You have written your first feature-length film. And hopefully that was easy enough for you. And you just repeat that for any time you have an idea and you want to go forward with writing. Now that your first draft is done, you go back and start editing things. You can go back and figure out dialogue, edit it, make sure that dialogue is true to that person. Now remember, this is only a stepping stone. So if you want it to be longer, then you can continue writing more than the 90 pages. But this is just to get you on track so you can get your writing done and have completed works. Hopefully you guys like this video. If you want to follow me on other social media platforms, I'm on Pinterest, TikTok, and Instagram. All right, you guys can find that video for logline right here. I also have the story plot arc playlist right here. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks, guys.